First on the agenda, let's see who's up first. Let's see who's up first. Oh, Jesus Christ. No. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs back with another video for you all like I've never left before. You know I upload every 2 days. And let's get straight to this video as usual, no long talking. You understand me? Now today I'm about to do a smash or a pass. But I'm gonna twist it up and I'm gonna say backers or not. You see me? Jamaican thing, you see me I say? But first, before the video begin, I want to check out that video here. First, you see if the girl them not shake like, but just watch that video here. You see me? I go to the whole reaction scene now and watch that video here. Get the laptop and thing. Reaction time, you know. Right. Yeah. I let the boss them there jump into. Yo! Them man come like a boat, man. Look for the amount of time Marina shake and the man just walk around. Yeah. Woo! 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 Them want some Jamaican in that crowd there, man. No, sir. No, sir. Yeah. Why up? That is bad. But now we get to the video, you see me? Do the intro and thing. So people, we have a smash and pass, Jamaican nation, Jamaican female artists, some Jamaican sensations, you understand me? Touch the like button, touch the subscribe button, and let's get it! As usual. Alright, idleness done. Ready for smash and pass now. Ladies, don't mind my channel, so see me? Idleness. Touch the like button, let's get straight to the video right now. First on the agenda, let's see who's up first. Oh, Jesus Christ. No! Mackerel, oh you get in on my video. Oh, Mackerel reach in on the video. Mackerel, you're not an artist. Well, yeah, she know our song. Our song dropped recently. Mackerel, you're not an artist. Smash and pass Mackerel, little people. Jano. Mackerel, what go on? Propose the thing, you know, but it's a pass, because I know say you can't shake it like that woman. The more cheer for the money I try shake, and that not moving. So nope. Straight pass right there, sir. You see me? Who next? Start off away, Jano star. Let's get straight to the video, but anyways, who's next? Bam! Oh, baby! Shenseea! Hey! Shenseea. Every man that own you up in a Shenseea, but guess what? You never get one up by Tyrekevlogs yet. Alright now, I'm gonna sing a song to you. Baby, me love when I ride on the bicycle. You tell me I love the icicle. Me want to give you one nice little Jano, Shenseea, you don't know yourself. Me have smash. Look on that people. Where we get that picture here from? Yo. Shenseea, that. Yo, she just appealing. Jano. Oh, the video go. Alright, next one. Who next? Sorry, people, sorry. Who next? Bam. Tifa. Tifa with the better foot, them. Backers are pass. If males are now watching, you can drop some comments and know who now has smash and who that pass. But Mr. Look right now, Tifa. Go pass, Tifa. Go pass, Tifa. Yeah, man, go pass. She can do her thing, but she can't shake it, you know. She can shake and do her thing, you know. But backers are pass. Backers are straight up them foot, their face. Anyways, I give her one pass right now. You see me? Yeah, I give her one pass. Because them African woman, them show so them better than you. Who next? No, I'm talking right there, so bam! close like come and look for it. Spice in the building, people. Cool it down. Video 2 hot right now. Don't know say Backers are part of Spice is a complete, full blown Backers she again. This again I want Backers. Calm down, Tyreek, calm down. Hold the energy, Tyreek. Spice and the finger and the mouth thing and call to Tyreek, you come for it or what? You see me? So Backers are part of Spice is an obvious Backers she again. The picture here, look, just up close to them face, only to see this. Buff beer. Stop calling Buff beer. Buff beer say, yo, Tyreek! Easy, man. Easy. Spice, that's straight Backers, you see me? Who next on the agenda? Now look how we are changing. Jada, King, dumb people. Yo, they picture us up close to my face. Jano star, and a little bikini and thing. Brad, Backers are past. Jada, if some niggas are watch, if some real Jada are watch the video, yo, I want to know answer along with the video now. Backers are past Jada. Based on this picture, I'm showing it to. Jano, obviously Backers is me, yo. You see me? Oh, wait a second. Bend over and touch toe. Backers. You see me, you know. Jada, King, complete, straight, full, hard, poor. Backers. 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 You see me? Look how we are changing again. Because look how we are changing. It gets even hotter, intense. You see me? So now look away and give a change. Woo. Woo. Now we have Yannick the curvy diva. You see me as a people? Yeah, she's an artist now, but Yannick. Why not just for answer Yannick is a complete straight Backers not Yannick in about look on the picture here so. And oh, you see me and yeah. You want not take too long with them. Yannick, Backers. Simple. Backers Yannick. You see me? Backers. I got a Backers. Hold on there, Yannick. Move past. Go for the gym there later. But Backers, you see me? Backers are pass. Don't answer the comment people. Backers are pass anyway. Backers. Who next? Name again Aishana. Pass. Pass. Just because you sing that song there. You see me? Pass. 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 Who next? Look how we can change it. That's it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Touch a like, touch a subscribe. Share the video with your friends them. Want to reach 10k subs or even more. And I'm out to watch here we go 100 million, 200 million, 300 million. You may talk foolishness on the ears, but touch a like, drop something in the comment section. Generally when you watch the video, just Backers are pass. There's me in the comments. Which one of them in the back. And that and thing and thing. You see me? And ladies, they are compound stone, man. Make sure now watch and like all the videos and share them with the friend people. And if you tell me so don't know so I will put the end screen. And we are free to miss the YouTube. So peace out in another 2 days. You see me I say? Yeah people. What time out of here? Yeah!